My name is David Tidwell. I'm the Physical Infrastructure Manager here at Utah State University. The university main campus is about 400 acres. It does make up a number of diverse buildings, anywhere from aerospace to farms. We are an agricultural school statewide. We have a number of campuses all the way from Logan, Blanding. We have extensions all over the state in most every county. We do have a number of cameras that we utilize statewide on the Milestone system. One of the issues we used to have on campus, we had a lot of older one-off type camera systems where we had various DVRs all over the place. We ran into a lot of issues with, from the police aspect to research aspect, of being able to make sure those systems, since they were critical, had appropriate uptime and were easily able to be viewed. And so what we've done is, as we've gone to the Milestone platform, it's been beneficial to have one source we can all go to. And then we're also able to, with our police, that gives them one source, most importantly, that they can go to. So they're not going out to multiple destinations, departments, etc., trying to find information that they need.
We had several different systems on campus, so we would not have knowledge until after things happened. If we had an alarm, we wouldn't know what we were going into. Now we know what we're going into. We just didn't have the information, and 9 times out of 10, the people weren't keeping those cameras operable. They were replaying the tapes several times, so they weren't of any good quality. They didn't have technicians that put them up to try to get the information that we wanted, like license plate numbers, facial descriptions. They didn't have them in the right locations, entry and exit places. With our IT department now, we're working close and trying to get things put where it's most beneficial for us in law enforcement.
So with the benefits of the police, there's been a lot of advantages to them, because all of the cameras that we do put on the platform for the various departments, they all are by default viewed by the police. The nice thing about Milestone is it's been very intuitive. So as we've gone out to new customers, I've been able to get them on the platform. They've been able to pick up on a lot of its various operational functions quite easily. And so that's really reduced the amount of time that we need to spend with customers as we train and teach them how to use the system.
The client is a very intuitive interface, very much a point and click. You see it, you click on it, you view it. Everything's context driven with menus that you can right click and get to the various options that are available within that view. The management client is also very intuitive to use, uses the same menus throughout the various components of it. Once again, right-click context menu and you can get to anything you need.
Right now our dispatch center has a monitor that monitors most of the cameras throughout the state. We even monitor the ones in Moab, Tooele, Brigham City, those other campuses. Somebody's kind of watching those at all times. If they see something a little odd or strange, they'll notify the police officers and we can go out and see what's going on at that particular time.
As I mentioned, there are a lot of different type of buildings we have on campus, anything from aerospace to farms. The benefits that we've seen throughout the state, specifically with our farms, is we've been able to put these cameras, and a lot of the cameras that we use, the bulk of those have been Axis. They've been a really good, robust camera that kind of takes abuse wherever we put it. And we put it out at farms where we have a number of different animals that are either calving in different stages of pregnancy or other research type things that are taking place. And with that, then we're able to have our professors view those. We've had times where professors have needed to be on site the whole time at a farm during the nighttime because of different calving operations or research. And this has enabled them to go home and they can view it from home. And when they see the situation is actually ready for them, then they can come back out. So it's really allowed a lot better research to take place. They're more rested and able to kind of see what's going on all the time.
We're using it in all types of different ways for public safety, for the safety of the students on campus. From when it snows, we can look at a camera system. since we're at different elevations on campus, we can look at some of the higher elevations, see the density of the snow, and be able to call out snow removal so we can get the crews out to clean sidewalks a little bit faster, so we're not waiting for somebody to slip and fall. So it's solved a lot of different crimes here on campus. If we have special functions, like on the quad, we can program the camera to focus in on certain areas, and we could have an individual sit and watch and zoom in and out trouble areas. So if we see something that's just not right, we can focus in and see what without having the officer's presence.
Some other specific benefits with the system is we also use it for construction. Construction sites have been great to be able to have a camera view those as they're coming up. One, from a security aspect, we can kind of see what's going on the site after hours, weekends, etc., when they're not around, as well as we've been able to create time lapse to be able to show the actual creation of some of these buildings, which is really, really neat to see that come together.
You know, the challenges that needed to be solved on campus, Milestone and Axis together providing a user-friendly system with high-definition video quality from the Axis cameras and a very high level of reliability with the two together helped smooth out the issues that Utah State was having with their different video systems, difficult to support and difficult to get the quality that they needed when they needed it. So with Milestone and Axis in place, you know, they were able to raise the quality and the reliability of their video system, and they've been very happy with that.